So if you haven't finished performance task, you're going to finish performance task, okay? Hopefully you've gotten to the point where you don't need the calculator anymore, but if you need the file on the calculator, remember you can only do the file on the calculator while you're in class, okay? And then if you look under Unit 3, all right, where is it? If you look under Unit 3, there's a review assignment there, so you could be working on that. But I also want to show you how to get to the February break extra credit. So click down here on this tab, okay? And I know some of you need it and some of you don't, okay? Some of you guys have like super A's right now, okay? But that doesn't mean that the material's not going to keep getting harder, and there's only really this extra credit opportunity, and sometimes we do one over spring break, okay? So when there's extra credit opportunities, it's always a good idea to take advantage of them, all right? So what you're going to do is, we're going to kind of read the instructions, and I want to walk you through it, okay? Because it's a little bit different. It's an online test, but it's a little bit different of an online test than what we've been doing, okay? So you're going to follow the link. Your username is going to be your student ID. The first password should be Hemet with a capital H, okay? You're going to change your password. We're going to click on the green rectangle that says Take Assessment. You're going to choose the one. It's from last year. I couldn't get the title changed, but we're going to just use the same one as I did last year. It says SBAC Practice Assessment 1. It's probably the only thing. And it's due by the 28th, which gives you to the Tuesday we get back. You should be turning in a paper with some work on it, but we're going to do the grading online. You get 10 points of extra credit towards every question you get correct. I think there was like 20-some questions, so you get another 200 points into tests. Okay? All right, so I'm going to follow that link. Let's everybody do this right now. So everybody do this with me because it's a little bit different than what we're used to. Okay? I'm borrowing some of my BC Calculus students' names, so you're going to type in the word Hemet and then immediately change your password, okay? I've already changed the password on the two because it's going to prompt you to change the password, okay?
You gave me so much information I could not process.
Okay. Follow the link on PowerSchool or on Haiku, right? Hit that. Put in your ID number and type in Hemet with a capital H and then immediately change your password. Okay, so everybody do this so that way you guys know where the test is. And then we're going to click Login. Okay, it should look like that when you log in. So give everybody a minute to get there. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do to get to the extra credits, you're going to click Take an Assessment. And then it lists assessments there. You probably only have one. So you're going to click on this SBAC Review Assessment. Okay. Oh, it says it's due Friday the 24th. I'll see if I can get it changed, the date changed on it to the Tuesday. I was having trouble with the date. All right. Oh, yours says Tuesday? Oh, okay. I must not have changed it on this one, on the assignment on this one. Okay. All right. So, what you do is you hit this button here that says Continue to Test. Oh, looks like there's... Oh, I may have already... You guys need to hit Begin Test. Apparently I'm... There it is. Okay. So, this is supposed to kind of simulate similar questions that are on the SBAC, which I know a lot of you are sophomores and you don't take it till next year. But next year you're going to be sitting in AP Calculus, not in a Common Core class, okay? So we don't really spend as much time reviewing for SBAC in Calculus because we're focused on the AP test, okay? Juniors, you've got SBAC coming up when we get back from spring break. The week we get back from spring break, juniors take it. So we're actually going to spend some time with all of us reviewing because it's good to review, okay? But this is kind of to start helping that process and help you understand what it kind of looks like a little bit more, okay? So there's a couple of ways you can do this. You're going to type your answers in. You're also going to write work on a separate sheet to prove to me you actually did some work and not just click through it, okay? You can click through one question at a time, okay? You can also click in here to change the questions, okay? It looks like there's 12 questions, so there's 120 points of extra credit there, okay? I don't think it's an app. Yes, Alyssa.
And so these questions are going to be basically the same as the ones in the SBAC?
They're going to be similar type of questions. We're going to do more review the week before spring break.
But like, it's gonna be kind of like this easy.
Yeah. Okay. Some of them are this easy. So remember, you guys are in the capstone of the SBAC, right? So you guys are, SBAC is a lot of Algebra 1, some geometry. The performance task is typically an Algebra 1 performance task. And then it should level, and at some point you guys hit the unit circle. Okay? But it doesn't get much beyond the trig on the unit circle, is what we found. It's going to have sequences in series. That's why we did that first. Okay? So, but, all right. So everybody knows how to get to it. You can pause it yourself, and I think it'll let you pause it like 8 or 10 times. Okay? So you don't have to necessarily sit down and do it all at once. All right? Any questions? Okay. So I'm going to let you guys work. I am going to come around and walk around and make sure we've got everything stamped off from last week for week 6, because I'm going to go ahead and put week 6 into the grade book now. All right? Now that I've got triad grades submitted. All right? Any questions?